always freaking leaves cabinets open. I just pulled up the cabinet open. I'm so dumb. Anyways, hi guys. Okay. I know I did this on my business page before, but I felt like I should do it here now. Just because it's easier to find me here, but I've been really trying. I mean, you know, everybody's trying to be healthier or whatever for New Year's. New year, new me. But I've been finding these like super easy crock pot meals that aren't like too bad for you, so you can kind of just like knock it out and then get on with your day. So I feel like I'm late today. I should have done this like an hour ago, but whatever, crock pots have a high setting. But I wanted to show you guys really fast. This is super fast. Hi Melissa, how are you? This is super fast and it's only 5 things I have to put in it, so it's like super easy. But just so you know, in my crock pot, I use these liners. You guys can get them on Amazon. I can link it from Amazon when I'm off of here. I love them. Hi Katie, how are you? Hi Shelly. Oh, everybody's on today. Hey, what are y'all doing? I know, it's good to see you too. I found 2 of Alexa's old Z-Pack pills because 18-year-olds don't know how to read prescriptions, I guess. And I took one yesterday and one today, and I can like, I was gonna say, I'm not really coughing, I just coughed. I'm starting to feel better, so hopefully that's what it was, but. All right, so I put 2 pounds of chicken breast in the crock pot already because I don't like touching it, and I didn't want to do it on camera and make weird faces and be like, oh yeah, touch it. But it kind of grosses me out, not gonna lie. So super easy. I just have a little bowl right here, right? So it's 2 cans of cream of chicken. Come on, baby. My lighting is so weird because there's actually light in Missouri now. Okay, I promise you it says cream of chicken if you can't read it. Like, I swear on my whole life. And I don't have a spoon, that's fine. I have been cooking too many meals. I'm out of ideas, so yeah. I don't see that's what was wrong with me. I was like, I'm dying here, and then I got sucked into this whole new world of YouTube. Like, did you know that there's even, if you want to like be in like a sewing clique, like you can have a bunch of sewing friends on there, but I don't think I can sew very well. But like, there's like crock pot meal cliques. There's like clean your whole house with me cliques. Like there's all these cliques, and I'm like, first of all, I'm never gonna clean my house online, so there's that, because I don't really clean it anyway, but. I got chicken too. Oh, you do? This is actually really good because it has rice in it. Hi, Jenny, how are you? Happy belated birthday. I hope you had a good one. I wasn't really on, and I feel bad because I was feeling so sick. And then I feel bad because the next day I get on, and I see I missed like all these birthdays, and I felt like such a jerk. So if I missed your birthday, I'm a jerk. Sorry. Sorry about it. Okay, so cream of chicken's in there. Next, so simple, cream of chicken, and then I'm gonna put this in here. So this is 1 3/4 cup milk. Now there's so much liquid because I'm putting rice actually in the crock pot, and that's, it's gonna soak up all the liquid. So I'm gonna stir this a little, just to kind of combine it. And then, okay, so this is weird. I had to go to 3 different stores. So tell me if you guys know what this is, because I literally finally found it at Deerberg's. I don't know what you have in your worlds, but Deerberg's was the only one. Unless I wanted to buy a pack of 17 or something on Amazon, or 12. I was like, what? I don't even know what this is. But you're feeling better. Yeah, I am. Okay, so it's called Savory Herb and Garlic. I'm trying to make the lighting work. This is I've never had this one before, and if I'm stupid, then I'm dumb. But I literally... Hi, Miss Carrie, how are you guys? Oh, I miss you guys so much. Oh, yay, tell Kurt I said hi too. Oh, I miss you guys so much. Aw. So it's just 1 packet of that savory herb and garlic one. Now let me mix this with a whisk because I'm slightly nervous about the kind of mess I'm gonna make with a little tiny spoon. So we're just gonna literally whisk that together. Maybe I could have used a bigger bowl. But no one ever said I was a freaking... This is not Food Network, so there's that. So oh, this smells really good. All right, so you mix it all together. Yeah, this is gonna be good. And then all you're gonna do is put a cup of rice in this mix right here. Now, listen, you can use whatever rice you want. I just was at the store. I have some white rice, but I didn't have enough left. So, and I really wanted to try brown rice because I like quinoa, but I'm the only one in my family that does. So, and then I try to get like the brown rice and quinoa mix, and Aiden figures it out every time and won't eat it. So I'm just gonna have to be one until this kid's 18 with not eating it. But this is just normal like brown rice, like long grain brown rice. So I'm just gonna stick it in. Stay. I'm just literally gonna dump it in this bowl. Stir it around with my itty bitty spoony woony. Now with brown rice, know that it has to cook a little bit longer. Brown rice takes longer to cook, just like quinoa does. Because white rice is full of sugar, that's why it's so good. So good. All right, ready? Okay, so I'm just gonna dump it in there. Oh, that was a weird noise. Sorry. All right, so dump it. And it doesn't have like a bunch of stuff in it, so it's not like it's totally unhealthy. It's not fried or anything. I mean, listen, I live in the Midwest now. I can't grill everything anymore. I had to like learn how to cook. And then, last but not least, so it's totally covering the chicken in there, like, because there's a lot in there, right? Hi, Teresa. Hi, Amanda. Do you love my shirt? It's so big, I'm like having to like throw it back, but I saw it today, and everywhere I went, people were like, I love your shirt. Just put a 1/4 cup of Parmesan on top of it. And this is literally called slow cooker garlic Parmesan chicken. And then I'm gonna put my lid on. I'm gonna cook this, what time is it? It's 1:30. I'm gonna cook this on high for like 3 hours and check it, and I'll probably kick it to low for like an hour. But know that the only reason why I'm doing this is because I'm an hour and a half late to starting this because I had a call, and then it's just, today's been one of those days like yesterday was, if you watched my stories at all. Oh, what am I missing? Hi, Patty. That's why I use crockpots. You can't mess that up. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on high right now for 3 hours. No, you know what? It's 4:30. I'll put it on high for 4 hours, and then I'll check it. That's because I don't want my chicken to overcook, do you know what I mean? But I have to watch the rice. So I'll let you guys know when it's done, the time, like how much time I really needed, but because I don't ever really like to cook chicken on high, just in a crock pot, just, you know, because it cooks so friggin' fast. But listen, mom's late, so mom has to make it fast. So I'm gonna link the recipe down below, and then I'll link the these liners too, because these things are so good. You can literally get them on Amazon and they just come to your house. I'm not linking the soup because I don't think anybody wants to spend $20 on a 12-pack, because I've never heard of that flavor in my whole life. So anyway, if you guys make it, let me know, and I'll link it down below really fast right now. But thank you for having me on. Now I'm gonna go fix my nails. I'll see you later.